Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Amanda and I'm here at the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel ready to give you a tour. It's been recently renovated. The hotel looks absolutely beautiful. I love what they've done with it. So let's go check it out. The Knott's Hotel is located in Buena Park, just a short walk away from the Knott's Berry Farm entrance. It boasts 322 guest rooms as well as a ballroom, convention and meeting rooms, and a restaurant. I have stayed at this hotel a few times before, but this is my first since it has been renovated. I'm looking forward to seeing the inside. Walking into the lobby, I'm greeted by the front reception area. This entire lobby has received a makeover and I am loving it. The staff is always super friendly here. It has a modern country farmhouse-esque vibe. I really like the decor, furniture, and artwork, all of which ties into Knott's rich history here in Southern California. I'm very impressed with all the thoughtful decor choices. The lobby is not large, but it is welcoming and is perfect if you need to wait or just take a break. How cool is this art of the Birdcage Theater? I love that the theming is carried throughout, even on the second level where the meeting rooms are located. The chandelier is so pretty. You can access this level by the staircase in the lobby or by elevator. I'm heading back down to check out the rest of the lobby area. It's really neat seeing these old photographs showcasing Knott's 100+ year history along the stairway wall. There is even a portrait of the founders, Walter and Cordelia Knott. The hotel features a full lobby bar where you can grab a cocktail or small bite, as well as the pantry, a quick service station with coffee and pastries. It's perfect for when you need a caffeine hit or want to grab a bite in the morning before heading to the parks. Adjacent to this is 30 Acres Kitchen, which used to be the Amber Waves restaurant. The updated restaurant looks amazing, and I can't wait to try out the food here. They offer modern American fare, and they do still offer a daily breakfast buffet here as well. I'm taking a quick peek inside to see the updates. It looks totally different inside, very modern and very nice. I've eaten here a few times before when it was Amber Wave, so it will be interesting to try out the new menu as well. Looking forward to it. Overall, I'm just super impressed with the design of the lobby space and can't wait to check out the updated rooms. I feel like the space is just so much more welcoming and cozier than before. There is also a small gift shop inside the lobby called Berry Place. This is great for if you need to grab something quick or a last-minute souvenir. There is also an exit that takes you to the back parking lot and a walkway that heads out to the park. I'm making my way to the elevator bank that is located just beyond the lobby and reception desks. Let's head upstairs and check out our room. Alright, stepping off the elevators, and they have new decor. The elevator waiting area. You walk down to the hallways. Here it's like new carpeting, new painting and paneling. There's artwork in the back. And then just across from the elevators, they have ice. And then also drink machine, although this one's out of order, so it looks like we're not getting a Powerade. And then just walking down the hallway to our rooms. Really nice and fresh in here. I'm loving the new look, new colors, whole update. The hotel looks so good. At the end of the hallways, they have vintage photos of some of the older rides. This one looks actually really cool, especially from growing up in a dirt bike racing family. This would have been a really fun ride. Maybe not, nudge nudge, maybe think about bringing something like this back. Really cool. Let's go check out the room. Walking into the room, this is a standard double room with 2 queen beds. We booked connecting rooms, so we have the adjacent room as well, which is also a double. The entire design of this room has been updated. New headboards, furniture, lamps, artwork, everything. Knott's carried that modern country farmhouse vibe to the rooms as well. The beds are fairly comfortable, but I'm not a fan of the pillows and often will bring my own if I can. Each room has a small sofa, TV, and dresser with several drawers for storage. I like that there are plugs and USB outlets on here, which makes it super easy to charge things like my phone. The rooms have a mini fridge in the cabinet, which just opens up. You can put some drinks or some food in there. And they also have a pull-out coffee bar with a single-use coffee maker, coffees, and teas. I really like that these drawers are roomy for ample storage. Looking out the window, our room is facing towards Soak City, and you can see Independence Hall there in the background. It doesn't look like the bathrooms have been updated much, but I do like the new lighted mirrors. There is a closet opposite of the sink for hanging clothes, storage, and there is an iron and board as well as a safe inside the closet. There is decent room to store suitcases and bags. The Knott's Hotel provides toiletries, and overall it's a pretty standard hotel bathroom with your basic necessities, including plenty of towels. The shower bathtub combos don't look updated, but they did add some boysenberry vanilla hair and body washes. They smell really good. In the pool area, they have a splash pad that turns on, and then a full-size pool with seating all over. It's a good amount of space. There's towels you can grab, and then tables and chairs along the back as well. There's also a spa in the back corner. So very nice pool area. And the pool is also heated, so it's really comfortable even if you go in at night. And then going inside, you can access restrooms from the pool area. As well as a fitness center. They have workout gear, exercise balls, treadmills, bikes, rowing machines, everything you need. On the side near the pool entrance, there is a path you can take to the walkway that will lead you to the park entrance. Here's a quick view of the back of the hotel and additional hotel parking. The walk, or ride if you're in an ECV like my dad, to the park is very quick, about 5 minutes or so, and it runs along the Knott's Marketplace. After a day at the park, I wanted to stop by and check out this pretty courtyard at night with it all lit up. The space is just off the main lobby and can be used for events and weddings. It's so pretty. Since the pool is heated, it's super comfortable to have a night swim, especially on a warm summer evening. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Knott's Hotel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.